lies upside down, broken inside out, and every last bit by design. Now the wolves are circling, try to roll us over, but not if we don't comply. Globally coordinated murder sanctioned by the state. The media encapsulates the scale of our decline, pushing poisoned ideologies, corrupting kids' psychology, deny basic biology. You ain't no friend of mine. That's why the world lies upside down, broken inside out, and every last bit by design. Now the wolves are circling, try to roll us over, but not if we don't comply. Now's the time to put our differences aside and work as one, 'cause there's much work to be done. They show no signs of slowing down. The wheels keep turning round and round. They put you 6 feet underground to earn a fraction more. Their aim is total subjugation, freedom based on medication, the dissolution of the nation, sovereignty no more. That's why this world lies upside down, broken inside out, a crazy time to be alive. Now the wolves are circling, try to roll us over, but not if we don't comply. Though the world lies upside down, broken inside out, we have one chance to